What is going on, y'all? So today we're doing another video, wood versus synthetic pins. Today's video will be Twister versus AMF Amflite 2. This pin came off the lane number 12 off the center that closed about 5 years ago. So we're going to start with this guy first. Keep in mind this is a healthy pin. Nothing, no major. Oh yeah. Yeah, that guy's, he ain't dead. And one of my favorite pins, my personal favorites actually, Twister. Haha. Gotta love Twister. I do pretty good bowling with these synthetic pins. So, to each their own, right? I still like the wood pins, but I have my number one favorites of wood, which would be the AMF, then Brunswick. Of course, I do like the Brunswicks, don't get me wrong, but I do have my personal favorites. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. And we'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Have a great day.